I know this one has at least 60% life left in it. So I can even sell this maybe for 30 bucks on eBay. I've done it before with some other stuff I picked up. As long as it tests and it prints well, you're good to go. So this is about 30 bucks. I'm gonna put this on the side, this toner. So now we have a bunch of plastic, a bunch of rollers, a bunch of everything. I know this guy here, this door, these are quite common for people to want to buy because these hinges usually break. So once these break, this thing kind of hangs and doesn't close well, and you kind of need this if you're gonna print, let's say envelopes or something. You need one of these to work properly. We'll put that on the side. That should be worth maybe 20 bucks or so. So now another valuable piece here is all this stuff here, which is the motherboard. There's even a hard drive in here. The hard drive's probably not worth much, just because it's old, so it doesn't have much value. The motherboard, you should be able to sell, or I should be able to sell that for 50. If not, it's a peripheral board, and you'll get about more or less a buck. You'll get more or less $1.50 for it. Sorry for my phone ringing. So this is what the motherboard looks like. Got some scrap metal there. So we got the motherboard right there. And we got the hard drive up here. Take that one out. Let's see here. Here we have the fax card. Pull this out for you guys to see. This should be quite, or somewhat valuable, I should say. Like for example, the motherboard, I should be able to get $50 for it. On the cheap end, I know a lot of people said for 2 or 3, but no one's gonna pay 2 or 3 on this old printer. So we have the little fax card here. This should have some value.